stale, funky house. Like, you know, when you walk in and this doesn't smell fresh. Try this. Inside. Put it in. Just put it in something like this. Spray it out. I mix this. This right here, it has a combination of oils in it. I have a little melon in here, a little My Mix, a little bit of Burberry, a little bit of Bright Crystal Versace, and a little bit of musk. That's what I put in mine. Or you can pour it, depending on how musty it is. Don't be embarrassed. This is what I use. I use Clorox, I use Dawn. Use any kind of bleach, use any kind of soap, and use... This right here is the Burberry Her. I put that in there. But you could use Knorr. You could use whatever you want to use. Pour some oil. Now, I don't know what kind of oil you're going to use, but if you're using any of my oils, Funky House, mop your floor. Put oil in it. It makes a world of a difference. Leave a comment. Let me know how you like it once you try it.